morning student. Chapter number 3 Circle. In this video we are going to study tangent segment theorem and practice set 3.1. Now we see tangent segment theorem. The statement of tangent segment theorem is tangent segment drawn from an external point to a circle are congruent. Here antecedent is a circle and consequent is the tangent segment drawn from an external point of a circle are congruent. Now we see the figure. Here O is the center of the circle and sec AP and sec PB are two tangents drawn from external point P. Now we write here given O is the center of the circle and sec AP and sec PB are tangents of the circle. To prove, we see here in two proof that the two tangent segments which are drawn from external point P are congruent, means sec PA congruent sec PB. So to prove sec PA congruent sec PB. Construction, we see here in dotted lines we construct the or we join the given points. We construct here sec OA, sec OB and sec OP. So construction, draw sec OA, sec OB and sec OP. When we join these points, here two angles are formed and two triangles are formed. Triangle AOP and triangle BOP. So in proof in triangle AOP and BOP, we see here angle AOP and BOP. These two triangles are formed here. In these two triangles, sec OA congruent sec OB, both segments are radii of the same circle. So sec OA congruent sec OB. Then sec OP is a common in both the triangles. So sec OP congruent sec OP and angle OAP and angle OBP are 90 degree because of tangent theorem. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. So we write here triangle AOP congruent triangle BOP hypotenuse side test. Then sec PA congruent sec PB corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Now we start practice set 3.1. Example number 1. In the adjoining figure, the radius of a circle with center C is 6 cm. Line AB is a tangent at A. Answer the following questions. First one, what is the measure of angle CAB and why? Second, what is the distance of point C from line AB? Why? Third one, distance AB is equal to 6 cm, distance BC, then find distance BC. Fourth one, what is the measure of angle ABC and why? Now we see first one is what is the measure of angle CAB. So it is given that line AB is a tangent to circle at point A. AB is a tangent. So triangle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Thus, the measure of the given angle is 90 degree. So, angle CAB is a 90 degree. Then, second one, distance of point C from AB is equal to 6 cm radius of the circle. Here, radius of a circle with center C is 6 cm. So, distance of AB from point C is also 6 cm. Third one, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So CA is equal to 6 cm is given and we find out already AB is equal to 6 cm. So we are using here Pythagoras theorem. So BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Substitute the given values. 6 square plus 6 square is equal to square of 6 is 36 plus 36 is equal to 72. Then taking square root of both sides, BC is equal to square root of 36 into 2, 36 2 are 72 is equal to square root of 36 is 6 and root 2. So distance BC is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. Fourth one, what is the measure of angle ABC? In right angle triangle ABC, AB is equal to CA. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Equal sides have equal angles opposite to them also. So angle ACB plus angle ABC is equal to 90 degree using angle sum property of triangle. So 2 angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So angle ABC is equal to 90 degree upon 2 is equal to answer is 45 degree. So angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Now we see example number second. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle from point R. Say RM and sec RN are the tangent segment touching the circle at point M and N. If OR is 10 cm and radius of a circle is 5 cm, then what is the length of each segment? What is the measure of angle MRO and what is the measure of angle MR? Now we solve the first. First one, what is the length of each segment? In triangle OMR and triangle OMR, angle OMR is a 90 degree because MR and RN are the tangent segments. So we are using here PGT. OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. Substituting the given values, therefore 10 square is equal to 5 square plus MR square. Square of 10 is 100 is equal to square of 5 is 25 plus MR square. Therefore MR square is equal to 100 minus 25. MR square is equal to 75. Now we are taking square root of both sides. MR is equal to split up the 75 into 3. Therefore MR is equal to square root of 25 is 5 and root 3. So answer is MR is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. And MR and NR both are tangent segment. So both are congruent. So MR is equal to NR is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Second one, what is the measure of angle MRO? Solution. In triangle RMO, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree because of tangent theorem. Sec OM is equal to 5 centimeter and sec OR is equal to 10 centimeter. OR is the hypotenuse of the given triangle and OM is the one of the side. When the side is half of the hypotenuse, then angle opposite to them is 30 degree. So therefore OM is equal to half of OR. Therefore angle MRO is equal to 30 degree by the converse of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem. If angle MRO is a 30 degree, then angle NRO is also 30 degree because angle MRO is equal to NRO is equal to 30 degree. Third one, measure of angle MRN is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO. Substitute the given measures 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Measure of angle MRN is 60 degree. Example number 3, sec RM and sec RN are the tangent segments of a circle with center O. So prove that sec OR bisects angle MRN as well as angle MON. Now we see the solution. See the given figure. O is the center of the circle. Sec MR and sec NR are the two tangents of the circle. So in triangle OMR and triangle ONR, sec MR and sec NR are the tangents of the circle and tangents are equal because of tangent theorem. Sec OM congruent sec OM, radii of the same circle. Sec OR congruent sec OR, common side. Therefore triangle OMR and triangle ONR congruent by the hypotenuse side test. An angle ORM and angle ORN are congruent. Therefore, angle MOR and angle NOR also congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent angle. Therefore, sec OR is bisect angle MRN and angle MON. Example number 4. What is the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle having radius 4.5 cm? Justify your answer. Solution. Given O is the center of the circle, line PT and line QR are two parallel tangents to the circle at point P and point Q respectively. Therefore, angle OPT and angle OQR is equal to 90 degree. Interior angle theorem. Angle OPT and angle OQR are interior angles. That's why their sum is 180 degree. POQ is a straight line segment. Therefore, PQ is the diameter of the circle. PQ is equal to distance between the two parallel tangents. Therefore, PQ is equal to 2 into radius. Therefore, PQ is equal to 2 into 4.5 is equal to 9 centimeter. Thus, the distance between two parallel tangents of the circle is 9 centimeter.